Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the use of count function. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin. The count function is used to find the number of cells having numeric values for a given range. So let's see, I have the hypothetical data here. Now, if I write count and select the range, I'm selecting this range. So count the number of cells having numeric values in this range. And if you press enter, it says that we have 10 cells. But if I perform the same function count on name column, see this count, and I'm selecting this range. It says 0. Why? Because here we don't have the numeric values. So that is the use of count function. But suppose we want to find the non-empty cells. Not only numeric values, but suppose you have letters also. So for that, we have the function called count A. So now I'm writing count A. And then I'm selecting the range. And you can see the answer is 10. So count A function is used when you have non-numeric entries in your cells. Now another function is count if. Count if. Now I want to count that how many students have scored more than 30. And therefore we use count if function. So count if, first you decide the range, then comma, I'm writing greater than 35. So we are interested to know that how many students have scored more than 35 marks within this range, number of students. And you simply press enter. There are 5 students who have scored higher than 35. You can see here 43, second 45, then 39, 41, and 36. So we have 5 students. So this is the use of count A, and Countif function. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.